Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to stop getting unwanted notifications from Chrome. Unwanted notifications from websites in Google Chrome can be annoying and distracting on your Android phone. These notifications usually appear when you accidentally allow a website to send alerts. So this guide will allow you to how to stop unwanted Chrome notifications on your mobile phone. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Open the Chrome app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Then go to the Notifications tab. Scroll down to look for the Sites section that lists websites sending notifications. Tap on the website that is sending unwanted alerts. Select Block if there's an option, or just toggle off Allow Notifications. Repeat the steps for other websites you want to stop. Now go back to Notification Settings page. Here, you can also manage notification categories in the same section. Or you can turn off Show Notifications if you want to disable all Chrome alerts. Now close the settings and return to the home screen. Chrome will now stop sending unwanted notifications from blocked websites. Tip: careful when websites ask for notification permission and only allow it for trusted sites. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.